there are some things that you need during pregnancy and postpartum, but there are a lot of things you don't need during pregnancy and postpartum. In this video, I wanted to talk to you about all the things that I used and with my own review and how I used them, and maybe this can help you plan buying things for yourself and hopefully not waste your money on a lot of things. So let's jump right in. So I definitely used a pregnancy pillow and I used it in a very interesting way. I had a U-shaped Wakefit pregnancy pillow and I used to use it with like my own pillow, and the U-shaped part used to be under my legs, and honestly that was a game changer for me. I slept so well during pregnancy, it was amazing. So definitely a thumbs up to the pregnancy pillow. Second, nursing bra. I used a nursing bra. I will link down the brand and everything below. You can click it, you can buy it. I am still using it 10 months postpartum, quality A1. Had a great experience, very easy. It can just pull off like this. You feed, put it back on. Nobody knows. Amazing. Thumbs up to the nursing bra. Nipple shield. I think I bought the wrong nipple shield. I definitely needed one, but I definitely bought the wrong nipple shield. It was a size bigger for me. So make sure you know your nipple size. You go well in advance knowing your size, and don't buy the nipple shield before you have the baby, because you're just gonna waste money because the nipples are gonna change in size. So yeah. Then nipple pads. I am still using it 10 months postpartum. 100% recommend nipple pads. I am using the baby ones and the Love Lap ones. I'll link both of them below. Definitely buy either of them. Great holding power. I have yet to have an accident where and I leak a lot, right? I was an oversupplier. So ek baar bhi I have not had an accident. So definitely nipple pads for the win. Nipple cream. Okay. This is a prescribed medication. So I'll give you two options. One, I use virgin coconut oil on my nipples and it honestly soothes the pain a lot. It is very good. But for the times when the pain was just too bad, my baby was gnawing at my nipples and so there was a lot of bruising there, then I use this ointment called T-Bact. I will link it below. This is a prescribed medication. Please do use it sparingly and clean your nipple after you have used it, and before feeding the baby, please clean the nipple area अच्छे से soap लगा के and then proceed to feed the baby. So definitely use those. Breast milk collector. I had the Pure brand bags and no problems there. Hands on recommend if you are wanting to store them. I also use it to store my baby's food when I'm traveling, if I don't want to carry dabbas, and it's just easier to pour thoda and give it. So it works multi ways. So Pure brand you can buy, linking it below. Definitely hands recommend. Also, if you are an oversupplier, I also use this thing called a Haakaa pump. I got the baby Haakaa pump. I think I will link the one that I got below. I'm forgetting the name of the brand, but definitely check out in the description and click on the link and buy it. The Haakaa pump helps collect your milk which is already there in your engorged breast. It will not manually suck out more, but definitely जो extra है वो collect हो जाता है. I used to wake up at night fully engorged while my baby was sleeping and I had to collect, and that was actually very, very helpful in making me help store milk for donation later on. So yeah, Haakaa pump. Then I bought the Star and Daisy crib for my baby and thumbs down. I barely used it. I must have used it a handful of times. So my problem with that crib was it had so many functions, but it did not have one basic function, which was that वो एक जगह settle नहीं रहता था. मुझे नहीं रॉक करना मेरे बच्चे को, वो एक तरफ अगर ये लेवल है तो वो टेढ़ा होता था, तो my baby would always invariably roll करके on the edge of the crib. No matter what I did, that baby was always टेढ़ा. In fact, I'll try and insert a video so that you can see वो कितना टेढ़ा होता था. तो basically मेरा तो hands down है Star and Daisy crib पे. I did not like the experience. I wanted to return it. They did not take a return also. the customer care was crap and there was nothing I could do about it because it was not safe for my child. So 100% don't buy the Star and Daisy crib. At least the one that I had, I do not recommend it. I bought my baby the Baby Beyond Bouncer, and honestly if you can spend that money on it, go for it because the baby is secure and you know kind of like वो हिलते हिलते अपने आप सो जाते हैं. मैंने थोड़ा लेट खरीदा, आप शुरुआत में ही खरीद लो, बिल्कुल बढ़िया चीज़ है, 100% recommend. Please do buy it if you can. But it is an imported product. I have not used local products here in India, so maybe I can do an alternative research and put a link for the alternative, but if you can afford it, the Baby Beyond Bouncer was very good. Then I used the Kiko and Philips sterilizers. The Philips one I bought myself and the Kiko one was a gift. Both are good options. आप दोनों में से कोई भी use कर सकते हो, but मेरा recommendation without using है to use the Pro Mom sterilizer. They also have a drying function and I think they're not that expensive and I think in the same price range as Philips. So definitely you can go for the Pro Mom one. I have not used it but I wish I had bought it क्योंकि मेरे पास 2 थे, मैंने तीसरा नहीं खरीदा था. But Philips भी okay, Kiko भी okay, Pro Mom very good. Wipes warmer, widely used unnecessary product ever. हाथ गरम करो, वाइप को हाथ में रखो, थोड़ा और गरम कर लो साफ. पैसे खर्च करने की कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है. वाइप्स वार्मर डाउन. देन डॉक्टर वाकू डिजिटल थर्मोमीटर. व्हाट अ वेस्ट ऑफ माई मनी. इट डज नॉट टेल यू कि बुखार है कि नहीं है. आई हैड फीवर ऑफ 99.9 एंड इट शोड मी आई एम फाइन. सो या वेस्ट ऑफ मनी, डोंट बाय इट, बकवास. Then baby bathtub. We had I'll link the link. I think it was, I keep forgetting the brand name na, so I will link the name of the brand, but this brand baby bathtub was good. I also use it in a very interesting way, if you have a sink on which you can put, I'll also include the video while I'm talking in the background. So I put the baby on the sink and I have a hand shower and मैं बेबी को उसी में नहला देती हूँ instead of झुक के, कमर तोड़ के, गीले होके, फिसल के. This was a better way. So if you have a sunken sip and a basin which can hold the baby, hold the tub, nothing like it, go for it. That was a very interesting way that I used the baby bathtub. Then snot sucker, 100% recommend. Please use it, but don't suck too fast initially. Find that right pace. पहले अपने हाथ पे सक करके देखो कि ज़्यादा सक तो नहीं हो रहा, फिर बेबी के नोज में डालना. थोड़ा रोएगा बेबी बट इमीडिएट रिलीफ भी मिलेगा, बट बहुत तेज मत सक करना. बट 100% recommend, you can buy it for sure. Baby nail cutting gear, 100% recommend. Initially के लिए get the gears, get the one which grinds the baby's nails and then you can get the one with the scissor. Both are good, linking both of them below. 100% get it. Then Mother Sparsh colic relief, cannot recommend this enough. It saved my life so many times. बिना सोचे समझे buy it. It helped my baby with gas issues. It helped my baby feel good immediately. Within 10 seconds वो रो रहा है, मैंने लगाया 10 times, मैंने लगाया, फिर मालिश करी, within 2 minutes डका रहा है, is okay, good to go. बिल्कुल दर्द वर्द सब खत्म, baby is gone back to sleep. So yeah, definitely 10 on 10 recommend, buy it now. Then feeding pillow. I got the Haus and Kinder feeding pillow. It was amazing. I used it till about 7 months and 100% recommend. Linking it below. Go buy it. Feeding pillow. Mustard seeds pillow. Controversial. I bought it. I used it. Then I realized that my baby hates it. My baby used to be like, तकिया यहाँ रह गया, वो साइड में लेटा हुआ है. फिर मेरे को पता चला कि एक्चुअली ज़रूरत है ही नहीं तकिए की. हर कोई कह रहा था क्योंकि बेबी ना ऐसे हो जाता है, इंस्टेड ऑफ बेबी सिंपली बिना तकिए के आराम से सोए. सो व्हाइल आई हैव इट and it's not bad and I can link it below for you. I got the Omved one with the lavender and mustard seeds, but you can choose not to keep it, but both works, it's your choice. Ultimately I realized a baby does not need pillow and it's a waste of money, but that's me, not you. Okay, so we had a diaper caddy. I can link it below, but it was not good. So I don't recommend having a diaper changing station because after 3 to 4 months they're just gonna fall off, or if you leave them for 1 second. So मेरे को सबसे safe लगता था bed पे change करना. I had a small box in which I kept everything handy. Anybody in the house, can you get me the diaper caddy? They would bring it, I would change the baby, and it was amazing. So yeah, you can use the diaper caddy, and I can give you a link for both that I use. That's your call, what works for you. Then the last thing, the Kiko Bravo travel system. And while it was the most expensive thing that we bought for our kid, I cannot recommend this enough. It has changed how I travel with my baby. It has changed how I communicate with my baby in the car. एक दो बारी, so basically it's a travel set. So it comes with a stroller and a carry cot car seat, car seat. So the car seat gets connected to the Isofix in the car, and then you can just pull it out and put it on the stroller. So if the baby is sleeping, और मतलब मुझे बेबी को अभी डिसंगेज नहीं करना है, वो कंफर्टेबली सो रहा है, लेटा है, जो भी है, मैं बस उसको स्ट्रोलर पे अटैच करा और मैं निकल ली. ऑल्सो बिकॉज ही कैन फेस मी. सो मोस्ट डेफिनेटली रेकमेंड दिस, especially the car seat, because see, I have taken 2 trips to the mountains with him, and I cannot tell you how irritating it would have been अगर मुझे बच्चे को गोद में रखना पड़ता. ना मैं अपना फ़ोन स्क्रॉल कर सकती, ना मैं कुछ स्नैकिंग कर सकती, क्योंकि मुझे बच्चे का गर्दन का ध्यान रखना है, मुझे बच्चे को कैसे पकड़ना है, धक्का आ गया तो मुझे वो ध्यान रखना है. भाई कार सीट में वो मस्त सो रहा है, मैं मस्त अपने गाने सुन रही हूँ, मैं मस्त अपना खाना खा रही हूँ, एवरीथिंग इज चिल. सो डे 1 से अपने बच्चे को कार सीट में बिठाओ. आई एम टेलिंग यू, इट इज़ गोइंग टू सेव योर लाइफ. It is going to make your life convenient. It will be irritating. I used to cry when my baby used to cry, and I used to curse my husband कि तूने क्या कर दिया है, वो बेचारा बच्चा रो रहा है, तू बड़ा जल्लाद है, ये वो है. मैं अपने हस्बैंड से पब्लिकली भी सॉरी बोलती हूँ, because he was insistent that no, he needs to know when he sits in the car, he will be sitting here in this. And now my drives are so amazing. The baby is comfortable, वो झूठे खा के सो जाता है और मैं अपना चिल करती हूँ. एक दिन मेरी गाड़ी में मेरा कार सीट नहीं था और मुझे पता है कि मैंने वो ड्राइव कैसे करी थी, honestly. So most definitely highly recommend. So yeah, this was my list of some 15-20 things that I definitely used or did not use that you can also take a look at. I will also give you a list of other smaller things that I bought. If you need them, please DM me. I have a whole Excel sheet ready for you with links and everything, and you can decide if you want them or not. So let me know, DM me below, and I'll give you that list. Thank you so much for watching my video, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.